Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Well, winter storm number 3. It has only been snowing like this for a couple of hours now, but just to give you guys an idea, I got off of work at 6, was out of my store by 6:15, got home about 7 after running to the grocery store, and that is what my truck currently looks like. Not even a full hour after I get home. And it's already, that deep on my hood. I had to pull up my wiper blades because, windshield was already covered and you can't even see where my windshield wiper was sitting on my windshield. Oh, fuck. And then to give you guys a better idea, this is down one part of my street, and that's going down the other. Visibility is complete and total shit, and it's supposed to continue like this into tomorrow, too. Thank God I have my boots on, because, we've already got a couple of inches on the ground, and it doesn't look to be getting better anytime sooner. So, welcome to Alaska in the wintertime, guys.